Hi everyone, it's Natalie and today I am here with a sticker haul, so let's jump right into it. The first order that I've got here is from Paper Blush Bar. Really pretty packaging with the doily, so I got some fun foiled stuff from her. So the first thing that I got were these little word scripty icon things that she does. I've got them in some other colors, but I wanted to pick up some more, so I picked up the gold foil with the pink background because it wasn't in stock last time I ordered them, and she has two different versions of them. I don't know which one is which, but it's got a bunch of useful things on them. So you've got laundry, lazy day, work day, happy mail, planning time, workout, laundry day, planning time, build you, shopping, build you, movie night, YouTube, happy mail, work day, flight, errands, groceries, buy gift, post office, package, clean, showtime, flight, workout, errands, and TV binge. So I love those so much. And then the next one here, I got the rose gold in the same, it's the same sheet but just in rose gold, and it doesn't have a background to these. These are just the plain white ones, but then I also got the slightly different sheet here in the rose gold as well. So this one says date night, packages, birthday, Target trip, payday, coffee run, planning session, sleeping, YouTube catch-up session, gift shopping, so much happy mail, me time, coffee date, pack, Etsy order, get fancy, warm and cozy, out and about, sleeping, TV catch-up session, pack, date night, planning session, and Target run. So I love using these. I guess you've seen them in a lot of my spreads. I also picked up a different one here. So this is more of an online shopping one, and this is on her standard matte paper. She also has premium matte and glossy. The rest of the sheets are in glossy. This isn't foil, but I thought this was really pretty and I love this. So you've got a little time to shop with a YSL bag, online shopping. I need shoes, need you, crossed out shoes. Really cute. Buy gift, Etsy shopping, order placed, buy planner goodies, reward yourself with a Chanel bag, shoe shopping, reward yourself, work hard, play hard, retail therapy, shoe shopping, online. So a lot of them just repeat themselves, but yeah, I thought this was really cute, and I don't have anything really for online orders. I guess I could just usually use a laptop, but yeah. Also this is the sampler that came with the order. So there's a lot of coffee themed items, and then the Etsy shopping ones as well. So there's that. I also picked up some date covers, which I've been lusting after. So these are the pink watercolor swatch with the gold foil. So here you get 2 sets of, well, 2 weeks of date covers, I guess. And then you get your foiled date heart. So these are actually cut out in hearts. And then you get a really pretty cut out script weekend banner. So that's gorgeous. I also picked up the gold glitter ones, which I thought were stunning with the gold foil as well. And this is a slightly different script also. So she has lots of different ones. She's got some floral pattern ones as well. They're also pretty, so it was pretty hard to choose, but I thought the gold glitter would be one that I'd use a lot. And then I also picked up her full bow checklist in all the foils. So you can see I got rose gold, gold, and silver, because I thought these were so cute and dainty. I just thought they were gorgeous, and something different to hearts as well. So I also got those. And that's everything from Paper Blush Bar. The next order I've got here is Little Miss Papery, one of my favorites, and it's a pretty big order, so I'll go into that. So the first thing that came in the order is this journaling card that says I love fall most of all. Really cute, and love the way she designs things, so that's really pretty. I believe I placed this during the PVC sale, so there was this freebie that came with it, and I also bought the matching kit. So this is all on glossy, and it's a great sampler here, so cute. So you've got some quarter boxes with glitter, some floral patterned boxes, half boxes, 2 plain ones, then like a horizontal sized full Erin Condren box that says chase your wildest dream. So cute. Her little labels with the crowns, 2 Belgius, a jumbo laptop, rescheduled note, next time and sleep in banners, really cute. Some icons, little dots and asterisks, and then some decorative icons here. So you got date day, mini Monday, weekend, lazy day, wash bedding, order, and delivered. So cute. And her balloon. So I love that. That's really fun, especially because I bought the kit as well. The next item I picked up were her sheet of build dues, because I like how they're pretty small and you've got a ton of colours here. That's that. Then I also picked up her personal size birthday month kit for my personal planner. I've never used one of her monthly kits before in the Erin Condren size or the vertical, so I thought this would be fun to pick up. So it's what it's got here. So these are for the So Much Crafting personal inserts, of course. So you've got these two banners to put up the top here. One says birthday month, the other is plain. Then I guess this is just washi. Or I guess maybe you use that as side washi. Or you could cover up boxes, I assume. Then there's some washi strips here, some plain ones, and this one's patterned. Then here you've got washi, triple washi boxes that you could cut down, I guess, to suit whatever birthday your month is in. So you've got the floral, and this one says happy birthday here, super cute. And then you've got a ton of like half boxes, you've got some quarter boxes down here, and then some more quarter boxes and labels, and you've got a little one that says my birthday, super cute. And then on the side here you have all of these build you flags. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mini little money bags, like for paydays, and then 2 mini balloons, which are super cute. A lot of these little asterisks, which is adorable and really handy. Your date dots here, and then your icons. So you get all of these bin out ones, which I will never use. TV, $, Happy Mail, plain, Wi-Fi, so I guess that's for bills. House, a light bulb, 2 cars, water, TV, 2 and 4 alarm clocks. So it's a cute little mini kit, 1 page, and yeah, I guess that's pretty much all you need. You can pop in any other bits and pieces that you would need as well. So that was the birthday month kit. Before I go into the full kits I purchased, I guess I will show you the smaller sheets that I got. So first off, I did purchase this one that says clean brushes. I've been looking at this for a long time, and I pick up everything in glossy, by the way. So these are just some of her cute little icons. Love that. I also picked up her little charge icons, which are super cute with the glitter around them and a ton of colours when you need to charge a laptop, camera, all sorts of things. So I thought they were cute. I also picked up a newer version of her Lazy Day stickers. So these are her circles. These are the glitter version with the black font. So these are great. I always like using those. And then I also picked up her LMP Renew stickers. So these are for when the little mystery box, her monthly subscription renews. So I've already used one of those. So that's that. And she now has this thing called Mini Mondays. So these sheets are $2 each, like all throughout the week, and they're like a little like card size little stack, and they're a great little assortment of little icons. So I picked up a ton of these that I would use, and I'll go through them with you. So I got, and she releases new ones every Monday, and she usually goes with the theme. So yeah, so these are the house stickers. I also got the TVs, the running shoes, present, printers, birthday party hats, which are super cute, the paper clips, pen to paper, lipsticks, face masks, dumbbells, the crowns, which are so cute, little coffee cups, they got a little bit of glitter on them, little alarm clocks, shopping carts. Oh, I got 2 shopping carts, cars, mail, birthday cakes, package boxes, books, mini balloons, little vacuums, which are cute, the wine, the little mini monies, which I've already used some of those, and then these little credit cards. So I'm really enjoying those, especially like if you want to cover up an icon on a little thing. These are the perfect size. So that's what I've been using a lot of that for. So that's that. And then into the kits that I picked up. So the first kit, I picked up a full kit. And and it is the kit that matches the sampler. So yeah, I just picked up the full vertical kit version of this, so I'll show you what's inside. So it's called the September kit, and she released it last year, and then she reformatted it, and I just had to get it. So pretty. So this is the little sampler here that you get with all her kits now. A jumbo laptop, beautiful floral pattern, 2 rescheduled and note banners, little dots and asterisk, $2 Tuesday, is it Friday yet, new releases, little script icons, and then Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and TV icons there with a little crown. So that's that. Also comes with the glitter headers, so pretty. Then this is the header sheet here. I've gone through all the headers and stuff on my channel before, so love the colors of this. Then you also get the little label sheet, and you get some blank ones at the bottom. Then this is the first page of the 2-page kit, so you get all of the, you get mini checklists, some little meal, and all these icons here. I've gone through these before, so you can just have a look at them. Love her decorative icons. I love the takeout one that's here as well. You get 2 weekend banners, so you can stretch this out too. Then the next page, you get half boxes, quarter boxes, some more headers, some more little labels, 3 habit trackers, build you, a weekly sidebar sticker that is the size for the horizontal, and then these next week and this week, large headers and a little flag. Love these patterns and colors, they're so pretty. These are the gorgeous full boxes. Love them, all the florals and everything. So this box says always be kind, and this says sunsets are proof that endings can be beautiful. So pretty. And then all of the quarter boxes down the bottom, and then these are the vertical check boxes. You get 7 hearts on these, you get a weekly tracker and 2 3-heart checklists down the bottom. Then the next page here, you get your checklist flags, half boxes, quarter boxes, 2 sets of date covers, and your date dots. And then, oops, sorry, that was my phone. Then this page here, you get the washi and deco, the little hello, and some little dots as well. So I love this kit, cannot wait to use it. It's so pretty. And then the next kit I got was the Summer Nights kit, but I didn't pick it up as a full kit because it was out of stock as a full kit, but then most of the pages are in stock, so I picked this up a la carte. So the first page here, you have the little labels again, and I also picked up the headers page. Really interesting, like, combination of colors, and I was really drawn to this kit for some reason. So there's that. So this is the first page of the 2-page kit. Yeah, I just love the colors, I don't know why. Then this is the second page of the 2-page kit with a lot of the half boxes, quarter boxes, sidebar, habit trackers, headers, and the little labels. This is a bigger flag than was in the other kit there. Then I also got the page here with the checklists, the half boxes, quarter boxes, and the 2 sets of date cards, which are so pretty, both of them, so I don't know which one I'd pick. And then these are the check boxes and the full box sidebar sticker here. And then I also obviously got the full boxes, which I love. I just love these florals, so pretty. And then this quote says Summer Nights, and this one says don't quit your grey dream. So yeah, so I guess really this is probably all I would need from the kit, because I don't use the washi and stuff like that. But yeah, so I was happy to get my hands on it because I totally forgotten to pick it up, and when I saw it in the PBC sale, it was already discounted, and then there was the discount code, so I was really excited about that. So there's that, and that is everything from Little Miss Papery. The next order I've got is from Clever Girl Crafts. Her packaging is always so cute with the bag and everything. This is her little freebie, which she packages up separately. Come again, tell your friends, the sticker says there. And then this is like an autumn themed freebie, and this is on a premium matte paper. Super pretty, a lot of deco on there. And she was having like, she was discontinuing a number of color palettes on her hearts and everything like that. So I wanted to stock up on her obviously the colour palettes that have been discontinued, and these flags, which I've been using a lot lately to mark my work schedule. So I picked a bunch of these up in all the foil colours. So this, I've already used this obviously. So this is the Betty colorway with the gold foil. So pretty. Then Poolside, this is the Poolside colorway, which is also being discontinued. This is gold foil as well. I also picked up the Myrtle colorway in gold foil. The Ethel colorway in gold foil. The Marilyn colorway in gold foil. I love the colors on that one. And then I also pretty much picked up the same colorways in like the rose gold foil. So you've got all of those in the rose gold foil as well. And then I believe I did the same with the silver also. So Betty, Myrtle, Poolside, Ethel, and Marilyn. So love all of those. So pretty in every foil color, and that is from Clever Gal Crafts. So yeah, that is everything for the haul today. A lot of stuff. But yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. I'll have everything linked down below along with any discount codes I may have. Yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.